Hello everyone and welcome back to ARTazzlers. In today's video, I'll be showing you the art supplies that I use to create my videos. I'll be showing you some general stuff that you can collect and keep it in store whenever you need to make something. These things will come handy. So yesterday I went shopping for some general regular stuff that I use in most of my creations. So yeah, let's begin. I'll be showing you the first thing that I purchased was this set of 10 colors, 10 acrylic color set by Fevicryl. These are very easy to use even for beginners, and these dry up very quickly, so that is one thing you need to take care about. Very easy to mix, you can dilute them easily or you can use them as they are with the same consistency. And yeah, this I need a lot of this, so this is the first purchase I made. Then I bought this. This is a white marker. Usually we use black markers and everything. This is a white marker, very interesting thing, and I'll be using it in my upcoming videos. Along with this white marker, I also purchased this white pen. It is, most of the time I find it difficult drawing or painting over a dark background, a black background. Most of the pens don't work on that. So for that I have bought these two specific white pens, which I'll be using in one of my upcoming videos. Next, I bought these glitter pens, simple golden and silver glitter pens. Can be used in making cards and other glittery, sparkly stuff. I can never have enough of glitter. Talking about glitter, I also bought this cool glitter packet. It has shades of magenta and purple in it. It has cost me somewhere around 40 and it's very pretty. And another sparkle. This is not actually glitter, it's a sparkle dust. If you can see, it's a sparkle dust. Also it has this opening on the top. Once I remove the cover, I can sprinkle the sparkle just like a salt shaker. So it's a sparkle shaker. So I really like the shape of it and the color. The color is very soothing bath salt sort of color. So that is why I made this purchase. Next, moving on to, yeah, I got these ready-made cute flowers. One in this off-white color and this one is in pink. I only could find these two colors. I was looking forward to some rich red and other colors, but these are made of paper, so I'm planning to color them. If I need this to be in red color, I can paint 2 or 3 flowers as per my needs. So it saves a lot of time, since these beautiful flowers have cost me only 20 rupees each, so I don't have to make them. I can just take one out and use it right away. Now, next few items I have been looking forward to buy for a very long time, but somehow haven't got time to do that until yesterday. So things are a precision tool. This is an X-Acto knife, which I'll be using to cut mount boards with. Also, it comes along with these 5 extra blades to ensure that it remains sharp. Also, I'll be needing something to cut with this. So this is a mount board. This is how big it is, and it is 2 to 3 mm thick, I guess. And this has cost me 250 rupees. So with the help of the X-Acto knife, it will be very easy to work on this. And also I have been receiving a lot of scolding and slash complaints slash disagreements with my mom on the scratches I end up making on my tables or on the floor when I'm cutting these cardboards and mount boards. So finally I purchased this cutting sheet for myself. It is printed on both the sides. It has these divisions, these centimeter wise divisions, and a really cool thing about this is that it recovers. I mean, the scratches that I'll be making on it while cutting the board, they will disappear after a period of time, like I don't know, 24 hours or something. So this will last me for a really long time. Very cool thing. Another amazing thing that I found is this magnetic sheet. So This is basically I'll be using it for making some fridge magnets and other magnetic stuff. So we'll definitely be using this in my next or later videos. And yeah, another interesting thing I found is this. What is it? What do you think it is? It's a wax. It's a gel-based wax, and it is normally used for making candles, gel candles, and other candles. So yeah, I'll be making candles out of this also. But along with that, I have some different ideas, which I'll not reveal right now. You'll have to watch out for the videos in which I'll be using this. I got this loose. It is somewhere around 500 grams and it has cost me 250 rupees. So yeah, you have to look forward to this. Another thing, I am also planning to upload some jewelry DIYs. For that, I have bought this set of copper wire. It's 10 meters and for 15 rupees a meter. And it is strong, it is not very easily bendable. I'll see how I'll put this to work. So this is for jewelry making DIYs. Next thing that I found was these creative colored sheets. I got them for like 10 rupees a sheet, and whenever I want to make a card or something, it's good. These sheets come handy. And these are very pretty. This one is with hearts, and another one, it has these pretty flowers on it. Then there are two sheets of different colors, same pattern, the color is different. One is in silver, one is in gold, and there is this very fine glittery magenta sheet. I could only find this color in this, but it has also this sticky paper attached to it, so I don't have to apply any adhesive or anything to attach it to a surface. Yeah, another glitter purchase that I made. I was high on glitter yesterday. So this was it, and yeah, this is not actually a purchase. It is a gift from a very special friend. It has a picture of me on it. I have decided to use this for recording my ideas, future DIY projects, or stuff that I'll be needing to buy and needing to make, and all sort of ideas. So yeah, thanks a lot, Akansha, for this. Very sweet. And some usual stuff like these paint brushes. I needed some set of brushes. Then there is this double-sided tape, very handy for card making and stuff. Also, yeah, this is a wondrous product. This is by Fevicol. It is All Fix by Fevicol. It is a clear, non-staining, all-purpose adhesive. It sticks plastic, it sticks fabric, it sticks paper, it sticks wood and whatnot. And the only drawback is that I only find this in this 20 ml quantity, so I had to purchase like 5 of these. But it's a must-have for every DIY. It's very easy to use. I think it's more convenient than using a hot glue gun. I have had a bad experience with hot glue gun, but ever since I found this product, I have been using this. Like, I swear by this. So this is most of the stuff that I brought yesterday, and will be using it in my upcoming DIY videos. I hope you enjoyed and got some ideas already of the things that can be made using these products. And I'll see you in the next video. I'll be also taking up some little tutorials of the different stuff that I've learned to make. I've self-taught myself. So yeah, watch out for some different videos coming up on this channel, and you can subscribe to the channel over here, and you can watch my videos over here. I'm doing this slowly because I'm not sure where to point. So yeah, you can watch out for the video, subscribe to the channel, and like this, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.